Hello everybody, at the request of subscribers in this video I would like to tell you how to get hydrogen at home. Thank you for writing about this, and now I know what is interesting for you. So let's start. You will need two plastic bottles in which you need to remove the bottom. You also need to make a hole in the lid so that you can insert a stainless spoon there. Important, the spoon should be made of stainless steel. I hope you have such spoons. Of course, my favorite assistant will need to hot glue to fix the spoons. Next, you will need two such metal sponges made of stainless steel. As a rule, they are used for washing dishes. They can be very conveniently attached to spoons. It remains to attach two tubes for gas removal. Our device is almost ready. It remains to lower it at a solution of soda with water and pass a constant electric current through it. It will be a bit like Frankenstein. Pour water and add soda. Then more soda, then greater the current strength. I then poured even more soda. This is a power supply from charging a car battery. As you can see, the solution passes an electric current. At the cathode you will have hydrogen released. A mixture of gases consisting of oxygen and carbon dioxide will be released at the anode. If you want to get pure oxygen, then soda is not suitable for this. You need to use lye, for example sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Look at how intense the reaction is. Now it remains to make sure that it is hydrogen. Be careful with hydrogen and do not mix hydrogen with oxygen. For safety reason, I inflate soap bubbles with hydrogen. This is a bubble I inflated with oxygen with an admixture of carbon dioxide, and it was like this. That is, there is nothing. If you want to get pure oxygen, use sodium or potassium hydroxide. This, my friend, is the end of it. Write comments that you are interested in more. subscribe to the channel and purchase my notes in PDF format using the link that I will leave in the pinned comment. All bye, see you to new projects. Sincerely, Yuri Kovalenok.